Get ready for a fun learning adventure with zoo and farm animals. In this exciting video, kids will explore the amazing world of both wild and farm animals while discovering where each one lives. A bull is an adult male cattle, Bos taurus, typically not castrated, and known for its muscular build and aggressive behavior compared to cows and steers. Bulls are very strong, with a large muscular body, thick neck, and often a hump on their shoulders. Most bulls have horns, though this depends on the breed. Some are naturally polled, hornless. Goat can climb rocks and hills very easily. Some goats even live in the mountains. Goat loves to eat grass, leaves, and vegetables, but it should not eat paper or trash, even though it might try. A goat has been living with humans for over 9,000 years, one of the first animals ever farmed. Elephant is the largest land animal on Earth, with African elephants being the biggest species, weighing up to 6,000 kilograms, 13,000 pounds. Elephants are herbivores, meaning they eat plants like grass, leaves, fruits, and bark. They can eat up to 150 kilograms, 330 pounds, of food in one day. Elephants have a strong sense of smell and can detect water from miles away. Zebra is a wild horse-like animal known for its black and white stripes. Each zebra's stripe pattern is unique, just like human fingerprints. Zebra's stripes are not only beautiful, but also help them stay cool in the heat and confuse predators by blending together in groups. Zebra lives in Africa and is usually found in grasslands, savannas, and mountainous areas. Sheep have thick wool that keeps them warm in cold weather. People use the wool to make things like sweaters, blankets, and scarves. Sheep have excellent vision. They can see almost 360 degrees around them, which helps them spot predators like wolves or dogs. Sheep have very good memories and can remember a specific person or animal for a long time. They even recognize faces. Cows give us milk, which is used to make cheese, butter, yogurt, and ice cream. A single cow can give up to 25-30 liters of milk a day. Cows are gentle animals with big bodies, soft eyes, and a calm nature. They love relaxing and grazing in the fields. Cows are intelligent and social animals. They have best friends in the herd and get sad when separated. Cows moo to talk to each other. They have different sounds for calling their calves, showing hunger, or saying hello. Cows are very helpful on farms. They give us milk, Horses have been one of the most important helpers on farms for hundreds of years. Before modern machines, farmers used horses to pull plows, wagons, and heavy carts. They are strong, fast, and can work for many hours without getting tired quickly. Horses also help by carrying people across large farm areas. They eat grass, hay, and sometimes oats to keep their energy high. Tigers are the largest cats in the world. Some tigers can grow over 10 feet long and weigh more than 600 pounds, 270 kilograms. Tigers have orange fur with black stripes, and no two tigers have the same pattern. Their stripes are like fingerprints. Tigers are quiet and patient. They sneak up on their prey and pounce at the perfect moment. A tiger's roar can be heard up to 3 kilometers, 2 miles away. They roar to warn others or to find a mate. Tigers mostly hunt at night. Lions are powerful and majestic animals, known as the kings of the jungle, even though they actually live in grasslands and savannas. They are the only big cats that live in groups, called prides, which usually include females, their cubs, and a few males. Male lions are easy to recognize by their thick manes, which make them look larger and protect them during fights. Female lions, or lionesses, are the main hunters of the pride. Wildebeest. Also known as gnu, wildebeests are large antelopes native to Africa, part of the bovid family. The blue wildebeest is more common and widely found, while the black wildebeest has a more limited range and distinct physical features. Wildebeests prefer savannas, open woodlands, and grassy plains, especially in East and Southern Africa. Wow, that was so much fun learning about wild zoo animals and friendly farm animals. We discovered where they live, eat, and play, from big zoo habitats to cozy farm homes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning adventures with animals and nature. See you next time. Kids, keep exploring and keep learning.